Good day, welcome back to this channel. So our lesson of today is continuation of yesterday's on. So our lesson for today is third lesson but B. We're taking standard form of number. So the standard form of number is a way of expressing a very large or very small numbers in a compact and convenience form. Now let's see the structure of standard form of number. So this is general structure. A multiplied by 10 raised power n. A is an integer between 1 to 10. So n is the power of 10. So how do we get that n? So by counting the number of places we move after putting a decimal place. So number one, move the decimal point so that there is one digit before the decimal place. At least there is one digit before the decimal place. So you just count only one number and put decimal place. So the remaining numbers ahead, so you are going to count them. How many numbers? If you count them, so it is the power of that 10. Now we're taking converting numbers. We are going to convert numbers to decimal or to standard form. Now we have 10,000. So this 10,000 is very easy to be converted to standard form of number, because if you take this 10,000, you are going to put a decimal place in front of the first number. So remain 0, you will just left them. So 0 behind decimal place or ahead of decimal place is nothing. Therefore we are going to take only 1. Then we are going to multiply by 10 raised power numbers that raised power number of decimal place after the point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So we are going to have 10 raised power 4 like this. So let's take number 2. We have 2,345. If you want to convert it to standard form, you are going to put a point after one digit, this 2. Then you count how many numbers are ahead. We have 3, 4, 5, so 3 numbers. So we are going to put point after 2, 2.345. We are going to multiply it by 10 raised power 3 because it is 3 numbers ahead of 2. So we have done this one. So third one, we have 487,690. So like this one, we are going to put a point after the first digit, which is 4. So 4.87690. So now we are going to count the numbers ahead so that we can be able to find the numbers that can be a power of 10. If we count 87690, we have 5 numbers ahead, so the power of 10 is 5. Now we have 4.87690 times 10 raised power 5, or you can just ignore this 0. It can be 4.8769 multiplied by 10 raised power 5. That is it. Then last one, number 4, we have 6,879,600. To convert this to standard form, you will just put a point after 6. Then we have 6.879600. So then count how many numbers after 6. 879600. We have 6 numbers. So the power of 10 is 6. We have 6.8796 multiplied by 10 raised power 6. That is the final answer. So now we have done this one. Let us take the number less than 1. This is a large number. So the number less than 1 could be different with this one. So let's see. To convert any number less than 1 to standard form of number, so the power must be negative. We are going to have negative number. In this situation, we are putting the decimal place after a first significant number. So in A, first significant number is 8. In B, first significant number is 1. And C, first significant number is 7. Then D, first significant number is 4. So let's take number 1, A. To convert 0.08 to standard form of number, you are taking this point to the next number until you reach the first significant number, which is 8. So after 8 we don't have any other number, so we don't need to put a point. So the answer is going to be 8. Then we are going to multiply it by 10. So which is the power? So we are going to count how many decimal place that point skip. It skip 0 and 8. So we are going to have power -2. So the standard form of 0.08 is 8 times 10 raised power -2. Then B, there's something with the first one. This one has no any other number, is only 1. So it is the first significant number. So the standard form of number of this is going to be 1 multiplied by 10 raised power -3, because it is 3 number that this point cross. It cross 0, 0, 1. So we have only 1 multiplied by 10 raised power -3. Then C, we have 0.0007864. So we are going to take this decimal place and put it after the first significant number, which is 7. So the result is going to be 7.864 multiplied by 10. What's going to be the power of 10 is, we are going to count how many numbers does that point cross. We have 0, 0, 0, 7. So 4 numbers. Therefore we have power of 10 is -4. So the answer, the standard form of number for this is 7.864 multiplied by 10 raised power -4. Then the last one, D, 0.004709 is equal to 4.709 multiplied by 10 raised power -3. So that is it. Let us take an exercise. So this is an exercise given to you for practice. If you have done that, so it's okay. Then this is an end of today's lesson. So you can like, comment and share if possible. So see you in the next lesson, logarithm of a number.